Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to connect your T80 Ferrari 488 GTB edition racing wheel. First, make sure your gaming system, whether it's a PlayStation or a personal computer, is completely powered down. Gather all the necessary parts: the wheelbase, the two pedal set, and the USB connection cable. Find a sturdy table or desk where you can firmly attach your wheel for the best gaming experience. This easy method will get you racing in no time. Now, let's make the physical connections. Take the RJ12 cable from your pedal set and firmly plug it into the corresponding port on the back of your T80 racing wheelbase. Next, locate the USB cable extending from the wheel itself. Insert this USB connector into an open USB port on your PlayStation console or your personal computer. Double-check that both connections are snug and secure to avoid any interruptions during your gameplay. With all cables connected, it's time to power up your system. Turn on your PlayStation or personal computer. You'll notice the T80 racing wheel will begin a self-calibration process, rotating fully to the left, then to the right, and finally centering itself. This takes just a few seconds. Allow this calibration to complete entirely before launching any game, ensuring optimal performance and accurate steering input. Finally, it's time to test your setup and hit the track. Launch your favorite racing game. Once in the game, gently turn the wheel to confirm steering input, and press the accelerator and brake pedals to ensure they are responding as expected. If needed, you can fine-tune sensitivity or other settings within your game's control options for a personalized driving experience. Enjoy your T80 Ferrari 488 GTB edition.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.